Okay, I'm just sharing the screen about the new question pattern. Huh? You just go through it very carefully. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay. See, now it is.
It's visible, sir.
Okay. Now see, part A, there are two parts in the question paper now. That part A, it contains three sections. Okay, part A, three sections. Three sections. Section 1, 16 questions. Okay, section 1, 16 questions you will get, and section 2, there are 4 questions. Okay, section 2, 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Means section 2, 16 and section 1, 16. Total 32 marks. Okay, part A contains 32 marks of 1 mark question only. When short questions, 32. So now what is the new pattern? Earlier, you have multiple choice questions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You had multiple choice questions, no? Now you will get only short questions. Okay, 1 mark question, no multiple choice. Okay, see, there are 16 questions, all carrying 1 mark. Thereafter, section 2 newly introduced. Section 2. Here, 4 questions are there. 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 questions. And in each question, there is a case study. Okay. And for each case study, there will be 5 questions. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions based on the case study. Okay. And this is multiple choice. This is multiple choice. Out of 5, you have to attend any one. Any 4, sorry, out of 5 you have attended any 4 for each case study. Understood? Just I am explaining, say, what type of case studies you are getting. Here it is showing one sunroom. Sunroom, you know, it is specially designed room, okay, so that maximum solar ray will be entered into the room, okay, and maximum solar ray can be utilized. That is called as sunroom, and this is the structure of a sunroom. Okay, the walls are square walls are there, and top it is a combination of trapezium. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 trapezium. Okay, and one pentagon is there, this one. Okay, here it is given, this is the top view, this is the front view. Got it? Now you just guess on which topic, this is related to which topic. Can you say? This is related to which topic?
Coordinate.
See,
Geometry, sir.
huh?
Coordinate geometry.
What?
Coordinate geometry.
Yes, coordinate geometry. Okay, what are the chapters there in your textbook related to that? Only case studies will come. Case study means something related to your day-to-day life. Okay, some examples from day-to-day life will be given here. Okay, so this is about sunroom. The main intention is that you will get a clear idea about sunroom, what is sunroom, then how mathematics is related to that one. Okay, so here it is given, and based upon this is a graph. Okay, this is plotted in a graph that is not seen here. Can you see the graph? It is not visible. Okay, actually over a graph it is drawn, this top view and front view. Okay, then based on this the questions are like this. See, find the midpoint of the segment joining the points J I. So mostly the students, they will go for this one J and I. They will refer the picture, but for this question this is not at all required. Without seeing the picture you can tell, because this is just coordinates already given and midpoint asked. So 6 plus 9 by 2, 17 plus 16 by 2, 15 by 2 and 32, 33 by 2. Okay, it's not that for each question you have to go into deep to the diagrams or whatever the other things given. Okay, sometimes you have to apply your brain, your thinking skill to answer it. So A is just directly based on the formula you found. Like that, the distance of the point P from y-axis. Point P, this is point P from y-axis, this is the distance. Here scale is already given. So basing on the scale you have to find out. Like this. Okay, this is one. Another example, see, another case study. Scale factor and similarity scale factor. Okay, so about similarity, one concept is there. Okay, about similarity. And what is the scale factor? The ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figures is called the scale factor. Okay, here the length of the image and corresponding length in object. Okay, and do you know how to get similar images, similar diagrams in Word or PowerPoint or anything? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay, see how
Yes, sir.
nicely
It's visible.
now all of you are using mobile and laptop. Okay, this scale factor you see. Suppose I want to insert one say, for example, uh, a trapezium. Okay, so I will draw a trapezium. Got it? What is this? This is a trapezium. Can you see my word screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I have drawn a trapezium. This is not seen.
No, sir, only the syllabus
No,
is
sir.
visible, sir.
Okay, okay then. Once again, I'm saying share screen. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
so
sir. It's
what is
Yes,
visible,
sir.
sir.
what is this?
A
Trapezium,
trapezium.
sir.
A trapezium. Okay. Now, see, I'm just okay. So I have copied this trapezium once more. Okay. So these two trapezium are congruent. Okay, because the same image I have copied. Okay. Now you see this one. Another copy I will make. Okay. See, here the second one. I will expand. Okay. I will expand it right side. Okay. Through right or through left or through up or through down. Let me expand through right. Okay. And here let me expand through corner. Okay. Got it? Here I have stretched
Yes.
right side, okay, only the right side, and here I have stretched through the corner. So what is the difference between this pair and the second pair? If the case is
Ratio of the corresponding sides.
similarity, if I will ask about similarity, then which pair of trapeziums are similar?
The second pair, sir.
The second one is
Second pair,
similar,
sir.
because when I have stretched along the corner, when I have stretched along the corner, it it increases all the sides in equal ratio. Understood? It increases all the sides in equal ratio. Suppose I have increased by 2 times, then all the length will be doubled. Okay, so but here, as I have expanded lengthwise I have expanded, hence only this one there is a change in the length, but this remains same. Okay, so here you will not get the ratios of corresponding sides equal, but in this case you will get it. Okay, that's why whenever why I have shown this one, because when you are making your passport photo or anything, sometimes what happens, to fit the screen you stretch towards right side or towards top, or but that damages the photo. Okay, always you have to stretch corner wise, so that you will get your enlarged picture, or zoom in and zoom out. When you will zoom in or zoom out the picture, you will get the similarity. Otherwise you will get a totally different picture. Okay, so based on that it is given, see, scale factor. Scale factor. Okay, length in image by corresponding length in object. Image means this one. Okay, this is image, this is object, this is object, this is image. Okay, so length of the image corner wise, you see the corner to corner. Okay, when I am increasing the length from corner to corner point, automatically everything increases in equal proportion. Okay, so based on that it is given scale factor. Okay, then its rotation, this one part, what is this, what is this figure?
Triangle.
Hmm?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Pyramid, sir.
So sorry,
Pyramid.
Triangular
pyramid.
pyramid, sir.
Pyramid. Okay.
Triangular pyramid.
Triangular
pyramid form. So here only the base, okay, means one triangle. It is shown rotation or turn, its reflection, and its translation. In a slide, a reflection and rotation, all these are given, and it is asked, hence two shapes are similar when one can become the other after resize, flip, slide, or turn. Okay. So based on this is just a concept. Okay. Now the question comes. A model of boat is made of the scale of 1:4. The model is 120 centimeter long. The full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeter. What is the width of the scale model? Okay. So like this, 1:4, the ratio you know. Okay. And length of the model also you know. And full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeter, it is given. What is the width of the scale model, it is asked. Tell me what it can be.
240, sir.
240, 1:4.
240 centimeter.
Like this. Okay. Examples. If two similar triangles have a scale factor of a:b, which statement regarding two triangles is true? The ratio of their perimeters is 3a:b. Their altitudes have a ratio a:b. Their medians have a ratio a/2:b. Their angle bisectors have a ratio a²:b². Can you say this one?
Their altitudes have a ratio of a:b.
Yes. Okay, good. So like this, okay. So see, one case study based on the case study. Case study means one concept. Okay. It's not like your English passage, unseen passage. One passage will be given and you have to write the answer by reading the passage, and the answer lies in the passage. Not like that. Here in case study, the concept will be given. And based on the concept, again some figures and something will be given on the question. Okay. So like this, you have 5 questions and you have to attempt 4. Okay. Here another case study. This is based upon your statistics. Okay. When a concept is given about mean, mode, median, and based on that questions are given. So clear. So section A and section B, sorry, part A and part B. Part B carries 32 marks. Okay, all 1 mark. 16 short mark question and 16 case studies. Now part B, there is also a change. Earlier you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 marks question, na? Now there is no 4
Yes,
marks
sir.
question. Now there is no 4 marks question. You have now 1, 2, 3 and 5 marks question introduced. Okay. Now you will get 5 marks question. It's very good as compared to the previous year, because 4 marks question were there and 3 marks question. Number of questions were more. Now you see 5 marks question only 3. Only 3 questions you will get. 5 marks question. So 15 and 3 marks question 7, 21, 36, 36 and 2 marks question 6, 12, 36, 12. How much? 48. So part B 48 and rest 32 part A. So here the advantage is, instead of getting 20 marks, now you are getting 32 marks 1 mark question. Okay, and 4 marks question, and there will be no 4 marks question. Now you have 5 marks question. Okay, so that's why always you keep in mind, you have to start from this. Okay, from 5 marks question you will start 5 marks, then 3 marks, then 2 marks. Okay, or 1 mark 16 also you can finish. Don't start with case studies. Okay, because case studies, it will take time, because totally it is based upon your thinking skill. Okay, it is not based upon calculation, it is not based upon your algebraic skill. No doubt algebraic knowledge must be there, besides that thinking skill is applied. Okay, application based question, so definitely it will take some time. So you finish other questions, then go for case studies in class. Okay, otherwise for that 16 marks you may not get sufficient time. So your target is that 64 marks. Okay, remaining 64 marks, how quickly you can finish, so that you will get ample time to solve these case studies. Okay, case studies will be not difficult. Definitely you will secure 16 out of 16, but the thing is that you need time. Okay, and to get that time you have to manage these 64 marks. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
huh. Yes. Okay, so this is all about your new question pattern. Now, what I will do, how many chapters remain to finish the syllabus? Probability is there. How many chapters remained, I am asking.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Two chapters, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Statistic probability.
Statistics not over.
Sir, probability and areas.
Surface area
Surface
Sir,
areas and volume.
surface area volume.
Surface area, volume, and probability. These
Yes,
two are
sir.
there. These two are there. So as soon as
Yes,
possible, we will finish this one. Then we will go for sufficient practice on case studies. Okay, because this is new for you. Sample papers also you may get late. Before that, me and Boyleton sir, we are preparing case studies, and we will discuss the case studies. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.